Welcome to Ramjet Bros. Please like and subscribe. Today we're going to make cinnamon rolls. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to mix our glaze that's going to go over the hot cinnamons once they come out. So it's just going to be 1 cup of icing sugar and 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk. We're just going to make it to a nice semi-thick consistency. So we pour it over once our cinnamons come directly out of the oven. Next step, we're going to show you ingredients and the following procedures. What you will need is 1 cup of self-rising flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, half a cup of yogurt or sour milk, 2 tablespoons of oil, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. What we're going to do, we're going to mix all our ingredients together and knead it until we get a nice, smooth, soft dough. Now that our dough is ready, we're going to roll it out into a long rectangle, brush it with some melted butter, spread over some cinnamon sugar, roll it up and cut it and place it into a pan, and then brush that again with some melted butter and then put it into the oven at 180 degrees from 30 to 35 minutes. And then we can spread our delicious glaze on top of it and it's ready to eat. And there you have it, your delicious cinnamon bun. Don't forget to subscribe.